Senior Dottor Captain Tatatio, Sherman St. John, Assembled First Officer, Warren's on meet and flight manager, and Postage complements tal-equipage. Nixina għakon fuq din it-titira tagħna llum li Charles Scott. Għartan sabu kważi lessi biex nitilqu t-titira llum se tieħu 2.5 ser intiru foli ta' 38,000 feet. L-aħħar temp bħal Pariġi llum huwa tajjeb li ħafif, temperatura bħalissa ta' 13 grad. Għanaklu ma'kom aktar tard baktar informazzjoni dwar l-aħħar temp ġewwa dwar sadattam xi tajma. Grazzi. The guests, a very good morning. Your Captain Charmaine St. John, together with First Officer Warren Zambit and Flight Manager Roseanne Buttigieg and all the crew, I'd like to welcome aboard this flight KM478 to Paris, Charles de Gaulle. We're present in the area, we're set to go in a couple of minutes. We shall be closing doors and starting engines. In the meantime, some information about this flight. Flying time to Paris, Charles de Gaulle is up to hours and 30 minutes. We shall be cruising at an altitude of 38,000 feet. Latest weather for Paris is good, like with temperature of 13 degrees. We'll go to you later on with a further update of the latest weather in Paris. In the meantime, we do wish you a pleasant flight. Thank you. Cabin crew, close doors, arm sides, cross-check and report. Doors closed, flight after cross-check. Signori l-odwa tajba, jena Roseanne, flight manager għal-tini titira. Fissem l-Air Malta Co-Chair Partners Air France u Air Baltic nilaqat ma' kaptan biex naqalkom abbord. F'dan il-ħin it-tammin elettroniku għandu jitpoġġa fuq flight mode. Tammin elettroniku li m'għandux flight mode irid jintefa' kompletament, grazzi. Dear passengers, good morning. This is Roseanne, your flight manager. On behalf of Air Malta, our Co-Chair Partners Air France and Air Baltic, I would like to join the captain welcoming you on board. May we now ask you to put all pairs electronic devices on flight mode. These may be used throughout the flight, however, if this option is not available, the device needs to be switched off. Thank you. Dear passengers, we kindly ask for your attention while you explain safety features of this aircraft. For your safety and comfort, follow all native signs, placards and instructions given by the crew. Aisles and exits should be clear of personal belongings. If we are required to evacuate the aircraft, leave everything behind so as not to hinder the evacuation. Notify a crew member if an electronic device is lost into the seat structure. If a device is damaged, unusually hot or produces smoke, turn it off and immediately inform the crew. Further information about the use of electronic devices may be found in our in-flight magazine, Il-Bitzilla. Your seatbelt is fastened, adjusted and unfastened like this. Seatbelts must be fastened whenever the seatbelt sign is on. Should oxygen mask drop down, pull the nearest mask sharply towards you. Place it over your nose and mouth with the elastic around your head and tighten the straps. Fit your own mask first before helping others. Your life jacket is found underneath your seat. When instructed by the crew, take the life jacket out of its pouch. Place it over your head, pass the strap around your waist and fasten it. To inflate, pull down on these red tabs. Air can be topped up by using these tubes. The life jacket has a light and a whistle. Life jackets must only be inflated outside the aircraft. Take a moment to refill the safety instruction card in your seat pocket. It contains information about the emergency location exits on board. There are 8 emergency exits on this aircraft. There are 2 doors at the front, 4 hatches over the wings and 2 doors at the back. Kindly locate your closest exit. Emergency exit signs and luminous strips on the floor will guide you to these exits. The crew shall now check the cabin for takeoff. Fasten your seatbelt and put the seatbelt in an upright position. Stow the tray table, lower the armrest and open the window blind. And USB cables must be disconnected from the charging ports. Laptops must be stowed away. Smoking and use electronic cigarettes are not allowed in all areas of the aircraft. Thank you for your attention. Wish you a pleasant flight. Cabin crew seats for departure. Seniors, like my nfakkarkomx għalfejn tal-postkom nissuġġerixxu li żommu ċ-ċinturin ta' sigurtà maqful u viżibbli matul it-tira kollha. Dawk il-passiġġieri bil-qiegħda mill-fila numru 4 tal-aħħar fil-lira ġentilmen mitluba jużaw it-toilet qegħdin fuq naħa ta' wara tal-ajruplan. Dawn ikunu msakrin kull meta kaptan jixer is-sinjal taċ-ċinturin. Meta tiftu l-headracks ta' fuq raskom oqgħodu attenti li ma xejn fuqkom jew fuq passiġġieri oħra. Infakrukom li t-tipi l-użu ta' sigaretti elettroniċi mhux permess matul it-tira kollha. Minn hawn ftit ieħor l-okupat se jibda s-servizz ta' bord jekk ikolkom bżonn ta' xi għajnuna staqsu għal xi membru tal-ekwipaġġ tal-kabina, grazzi. Dear passengers, for your safety, we suggest that you keep your seatbelt fastened and visible during the flight. Passengers seated from row 4 to the last row are kindly requested to use the lavatories located at the back of the aircraft. These will be locked whenever the captain turns on the fasten seatbelt sign. We're opening the headracks to take care of items for new and alien passengers. May we remind you that smoking and use of electronic cigarettes are not allowed on board. We shall shortly commence in-flight service. Should you need any assistance during the flight, please don't hesitate to contact any member of the cabin crew. Thank you. Ftiħar ta' nizlu fl-aeroport ta' Charles de Gaulle jekk irġobkom fiċ-ċentrin ta' sigurtà nizlu driħu tpoġġu d-dar ta' poltruna f'qagħda wieqfa. Araw il-mejda u l-holder ta' tamir elettroniku ma' magħluqa u ftu l-blinds tat-tieqa. Wires ta' tamir elettroniku jridu jinqalgħu ma' charging ports tal-ajruplan. Bastiet u bagali għandhom jitpoġġew fil-headracks jew taħt il-poltruna ta' qudiemkom. Nitolbukom terfgħu l-laptops posthom. Inħeġġukom tirrevedu l-karta ta' sigurtà li tinstab fil-but tal-poltruna ta' qudiemkom. Din tagħti informazzjoni dwar il-rux ta' emerġenza u tamir ta' emerġenza abbord. F'każ ta' evakwazzjoni ħallu kollox warajkom biex ma tfixklux il-rux mill-ajruplan. Grazzi. Dear guests, we shall shortly be landing in Charles de Gaulle Airport. Please fasten your seatbelt and put the seatback in an upright position. Stow the tray table and the electronic device holder, lower the armrest and open the window blind. USB cables must be disconnected from the charging ports. All bags are to be safely secured in the headracks or well underneath the seat in front of you. Laptops should be stowed away safely. Please read the safety card located in the seat pocket in front of you. It provides information about the location of emergency exits and operation of emergency equipment on board. If at any time you are required to evacuate the aircraft, leave everything behind so as not to hinder the evacuation. Thank you. Cabin crew seats for arrival. Airport ta' Charles de Gaulle. Sarbukom tibqgħu bil-qeda biċ-ċentrin tas-sigurtà maqful saħmien ta' fis-sejjal taċ-ċentrin ta' fuq raskom qabel tallu l-ajruplan naraw li ma nsejtu xejn warajkom u meta tiftu l-kompartamenti ta' fuq raskom waqtu attenti ma xejn fuqkom jew fuq passiġġieri oħra biex il-bagalji setgħu ċarru matul it-titjira. Fakrukom biex ma tfejbux sakemm ma tkunu f'xi żona tat-tipib. Bisem l-Air Malta u l-coacher tagħna Air Baltic u Air France kien ta' pjaċir għalina li għamiltu din it-titjira magħna u tamaw li m'għadux ma nerġgħu nilqakom fuq it-titjiri oħrajn. Saħħa u grazzi. Yeah, passengers, welcome to Charles de Gaulle Airport, where you are requested to remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. Before leaving the aircraft, please make sure to collect all your personal belongings, and when opening the overhead compartments, do take care that nothing falls on you or any other passengers, as hand luggage might have moved during the flight. May we remind you not to smoke unless you are within the smoking area. On behalf of our coach, Air Baltic and Air France, Air Malta, it has been a pleasure having you on board. We look forward to welcoming you again in the near future. Goodbye and thank you for flying aboard.
Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign has been switched off, please. Thank you.
Recruit the dark side. Cabin crew okay for doors.